Okay guys, so here we are at COPART. Gonna go in there and pay them and see if they have a car here. If not, I'll probably have to go to the sub lot. Hopefully they have it here, but who knows. Okay guys, so they don't have it here. They have it at the sub lot. So it looks like he's heading to the sub lot also. So I guess I'm stuck behind them. I'll see if I get off the truck pretty quick and take my paperwork to the forklift guy. See if he could bring my car out first. But we're here. Okay guys, so we're back here at the sub lot. As you can see, there's a lot of cars behind me. Let me see if I could turn this camera facing the other way, man. I can't. Okay, I had to stop the video and then start recording again with the rear facing camera. But look, there's some pretty cool cars. Look at these Jeep, guys. It's all messed up. It's a nice little Jeep. Look at that, still got the plate. That plate is bad. I'm waiting for them to bring my car out. So in the meantime, I'll be checking out these cars that are out here. There's not that many nice cars out here. Nope. I don't like none of them. This one's pretty cool. Doesn't have that much damage. It's the front bumper. Oh yeah, it's pretty messed up. That one's nice. This one's nice. This one looks like they went out off-roading, I think. If not, then probably they went into a ditch. Yeah, they don't have that much cars. The good ones are behind those fences. Yeah, there's none that's worth go checking out. Still waiting. It's not that many cars. But those, they're loading some cars right there. So I'm just checking this car out. It's right here next to where I'm parked. But look, it looks like a, what does it look like? It looks like a little Mazda 3, but it's got some Scion wheels. But it does look, it might be a Scion, but it looks like a, yeah, it is a Scion. Oh snap. From this side it looks like a Mazda. Look, looks like a little Mazda 3. Even the tail light looks like it's Mazda. I thought it was a Mazda with Scion rims, but I was wrong. Okay guys, so they brought the car out. Here it is. I know you guys can't see nothing. I'm just messing around with you guys. This is the car. Now the camera's playing games, acting all blurry, but there it is. It's a 2013 BW Passat. See? There's no damage anywhere else beyond that driver's side fender. Gotta see. And the driver's side headlight. The bumper needs to be maybe touched a little bit on this side. Needs the new fender, needs the new headlight, needs the new mirror, needs the glass, and a little bit of body work right here. But beyond that, everything else looks nice. It's a driver. I can't go inside. Can't go inside because the door hits, like always. But it's automatic. It's a driver. Pretty clean. So yeah, man. It's a nice little car. It's a nice little car. It's a 2013. It's got 80,000 miles. So I'm gonna strap that thing down right now and hit the road. Okay guys, so I managed to get that back door open. Somebody was messing around with it inside. There it is. It smells like new in here, man. I like it. Okay guys, so I got the car home. Here it is. This is damage. It's the fender. He didn't go any further than the fender. See, the headlight was the one that was worrying me a bit, because you know the damage could have gone further back in, but nope. Just the headlight. Everything else in here looks okay. Besides the broken lamp. See, that has to be right there. So that's the only thing that broke. The brackets are good. Everything else is good. Bumper is also in good conditions. I'm gonna need the bumper bracket. As you can see, the bumper bracket is broken. That one. That's the one that holds the bumper. The engine is on. Sounds good. It is giving me some lights in the dash, and one of them is, of course, the one lamp is out. I got the parking brake on. That one's the stability control. That one stays on, and that one I'm pretty sure because of the tires are low. But that's the one that worries me more. I don't know how to get rid of that one. That's the same problem I'm having with the Sentra. That light won't go off. So I'll look further in. No check engine light though. Everything seems to be working properly. Seeing the parking brake on off. It's gas, but it shifts pretty good. I drove it a little bit right now. No airbags deployed. And as you can see on the inside, it's normal controllers. Basically it's got the same stuff as the R-line, the CC R-line that I had, but nothing fancy, you know, no buttons, just basic stuff. It is pretty similar to these buttons are pretty similar to the Audi, but like I said, this looks like a base model, so I mean it's pretty nice. Nothing fancy. sounds healthy. Sounds real healthy. So yeah guys, and let me show you guys the other car just a little bit. Can't go through here. This is the other car. As you can see, 60,000 miles. And the damage is on this side. That's the damage, but I'll go further into this car in a different video.